Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this scene like it's video recording somebody with a cell phone. I've done one already with a still. This one's with a video and it's a little bit different. Good for beginners. I get all the media from Pixabay. This picture with the hands and the cell phone had a background and a screen on the phone. I made it transparent for the video. I will leave the picture of the phone in the description below. We can go to one viewer for this. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up there in the way. We'll bring the cell phone media down. Merge it into the media in. We'll make a merge. And we'll bring the video down that's on the timeline. Merge that in the media in. Basically merging it over itself. And select the merge to. I'm going to zoom this one out a little bit. The other one we zoomed in. Somewhere in there. And select this node here, the media 3. Get a polygon. I don't have a middle mouse wheel to zoom in and out like you guys do on my handicap controller. So I use this drop down menu in case you guys are wondering why I do this. And make sure you close the loop on your polygon. And after you do, I suggest you select this modify only tool. This will prevent you from screwing up your polyline. Highlight them all. And select smooth. We'll do all the corners. And select the media 1 and add a blur. And that blurs the outside only. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.